Hello everyone, so today I am very excited. I am going to be opening up this little box, which is from Kswiss. Now Kswiss have just come out with a collaboration with McLaren, and anyone who knows me knows that I love McLaren, so I kind of had to pick up a pair of these trainers. These were the only ones that I actually liked, and these ones ended up actually being the most expensive, because of course they did. Nothing ever works out right for me. So, open them up. Hopefully, oh there is, hang on, let me get that out of the box. Okay, so we have the box open, and here it is. Wow, okay. So here they are. This is the box. So you've got the normal K-Swiss, and then you have the Papaya stripes, which are very nice. And you've got the McLaren Fearlessly Forward. All that there. Yep, they are my size, which is good. Okay, so we're ready to have a look at them. Okay. They are very bright, oh my word. Okay. So here they are. They are the, what are they called again? I can't remember. Hang on. I can't even remember what they are. I will put it in the title, obviously, but here they are. Wow. I actually like them a lot more than I was expecting to. I was kind of expecting to send them back because I wasn't sure if I was going to be 100% keen on them, but wow. They have this kind of carbon fibre kind of look to them. So on the back it says Kswiss McLaren. It's got this big old, it kind of looks like a tyre on the back. The Kswiss here. I like this detailing. It's really nice. I like the black. This is the only pair that I think didn't have the blue on it. I'm not a big fan of the McLaren blue. I like the McLaren Papaya and black. And then you've got the McLaren logo here, which has got the kind of silver outline to it. Yeah. I like the fact that the tongue is black as well. It makes the laces really pop. Yeah, I really like these. Let's have a look at the other one, or that'll be different. Does the paper actually say McLaren on it? It does. Probably not going to be able to see it in this light, but it says Kswiss McLaren on the paper, which is cool. And there they are. They are very, very bright. They're ridiculous, but you know, I still might end up sending them back. I do like them. They are very expensive for what they are. Let me get my thing zoomed in a little bit more. Yeah, I really like them, but they are very expensive. So I still might end up sending them back. I'm not 100% sure. In here it says McLaren Formula 1 team. I've dropped one on the floor. So yeah. That's the McLaren K-Swiss collaboration. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, all that good stuff, and hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Adios.